It's cold as hell out here, but basically just wanted to tap in with you guys for a little bit. I ordered a couple new parts for my G. I ordered some ISR headers. I already ordered my intakes, 3-inch dual intakes. So the car is getting tuned soon. Just waiting for the headers to come in. Then I also have to order some extensions for the headers. And then I'll be able to tune the car. Like I said, just going to keep the kind of like shitty exhaust I have right now. Then eventually save up for a Motordyne dual exit, because that's honestly my favorite exhaust for the G37. Very nice exhaust, but as you know, it's like $2,000. But yeah, there's going to be more content coming soon. Just bad weather right now. The G doesn't really like this weather, even though I do drift in the snow a lot. So I will definitely get some snow drift clips for you guys this winter for sure. And yeah, so you'll see the parts. They're coming in soon. I ordered coilovers. That's another thing I forgot to tell you guys. I ordered coils too for my G, so it's getting lowered, basically static. But it's gonna look good, so I hope you guys are ready for this. Back to another DriftTweakers exclusive. We got snow, guys. Got snow. It rhyming. I'm spitting it rhyming, but Christy Bradley's lying. She's mad. She's mad. She's mad, and she's sad. She thinks I'm a drug addict, but that's not really what I am. I am.
Squirt later! Keep going! Keep going! Oh yeah! Fuck, he's squirting right out!
Hi guys, DriftTweakers out here and shit, man. We out here. You know why? We getting that 302 food plug, man. You know what I'm saying? Should I show them what's in there?
What'd you get, man?
Hold up, man. Hold up, man. Let me show them what's in the box. You want me to show y'all what's in the box, man? Don't play with the 302 food plug, man. Oh, damn.
Hold on, get it up close for the
Get it up close, man.
Okay, and where the sauce at? Because that shit dry as hell, boy.
The sauce? The food plug sauce?
Okay, the food plug.
You know
All
what I'm saying?
right, so we got some light smoke on the tail lights. Today, guys, we went to the tint shop. CC Customs got light smoke. We also got the passenger window tint replaced because it was starting to bubble 5%. But I also got to go back tomorrow, so that'll be on the video when I go back tomorrow, because this car has this problem where the window doesn't shut all the way and it stays till about like right here. So I'm trying to figure out how to get it up. I tried to reset it, but it didn't do anything. If you get out, close the door, it won't go up like it's supposed to. Like there's a sensor in here, but so what's good, bro? This Drew, y'all see him on the channel a lot. This is my bro. We are big woods, big body armors out here. But yeah, we lit. Listen to me, DriftTweakers.
Yes.
Yeah, we out here, DriftTweakers.
Yeah, we out here! You making out shit!
Working though.
So we out here in the Benz. We got Drew. And this bitch.
What's up? What's up?
You already know.
You know. Send it.
Bang. TJ, where you at, man? All right. He in the building. Okay, so this joint just got tuned. If y'all haven't, this is the Benz. This is Thorton tune, chip tune. You know what I'm saying? My boy out here, supercharged.
It is stage 2 though.
He really like that though. So we're out here at CC Customs, just getting the window fixed. We were just with Drew, and y'all saw the Benz. He just got it chip tuned, so it's pretty quick. Hope y'all fuck with it. Oh, this shit gets down, man. Y'all don't want no smoke with it. I tell you, that wasn't even any. That was nothing. And it's twerking. The control alarm. Yo.
You got it doing twerking. Yo, you finished doing twerking.
Doing twerking, man.
Oh shit, we twerking.
Burger King shit, man. We were just there. That was in the last video, guys.
Fuck me, man. That shit smells. It's twerking.
So it's tuned and it's twerking.
Yeah, hold on, yeah, twerking.
But don't worry, y'all. He
Yeah,
getting it
twerking.
fixed today.
Yeah, twerking.
Midas shit. You
Twerking.
know. Yeah.
Twerking.
Who fixing
Yeah.
it though? Yo, who fixing it though?
Caleb. Caleb is. Alright. SCD's 33 Caleb.
So new parts came in. Got the coilovers for the G. They'll be on soon. So just stay tuned for that. She gonna be low.
Sure. Sure. Look, he's acting hard. He's acting normal for the kid.
That's that good shit, OG. Yeah, I see him smiling. I'm gonna get some content tomorrow, but this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching another exclusive on DriftTweakers. We're gonna keep getting footage for you guys. Like I said, we're getting content tomorrow for the next video. There's gonna be more content soon for the G. Like the coils are getting put on, the headers, it's gonna be tuned soon, so just stay tuned for everything. Because this is gonna be like, you know, the start of the build. There's a lot more to come, so just please share the videos and please like the videos, comment, you know, and please subscribe. Just help us grow the channel, because we're gonna do a lot more, especially once we start traveling and I get a camera and a better mic and better software to edit. The videos are gonna be crazy, but this is just temporary. So we're out.